like from those edits are working, like, and I'm getting loads of clicks, and my content views gone up, like really, like before that I have got like, since the iOS change, I've got like half of the link clicks content views. Now it's quite the same as it was before. So I'm not sure what the issue is here. It's like, it's not like I'm not getting traffic.
People are not adding to cart, period. Have you confirmed if the US pricing was fixed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because my Shopify page is set to US.
I'm going to your site right now. I'm gonna see if it populates in US. All right, it did. Yeah, okay, so I mean, there's something happening with the add to cart.
I mean, I can show you a visitor replace couple.
Yeah, let's watch a video if you have a recording.
So this one was 5 hours ago. This one was 5 hours ago, for example.
Okay, the add to cart button's not visible.
Yeah, because this is on the
phone. You gotta make the content tinier. Yeah, it's too big.
So she's going there.
See,
and
she had to scroll down. She should be able to do it all in one swift motion. Okay, so add to cart. And then what'd she do here?
No, it's finished. Like, she's gone down. Couple of them are checking.
So right here, spend 5 more and get free shipping. She's probably like, I could have just had free shipping if I had that $5, but there's no other thing offering her $5 that she probably can think of.
Yeah, so this is what I was thinking. Should I raise that?
Yeah, you should.
And I also
raise the price there, so that way it just auto.
Okay.
All right, let's see another video.
Okay. Let's see this one.
That's from Canada.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Okay, it's gonna be thin. So it's here, and it's an add to cart, and it's a checkout, which I don't see because it's not filming anymore.
Okay, perfect. But that's good because they saw the free shipping. So yeah, adjust the pricing on that other one. I would keep doing things like that. See where things are going wrong here.
Adjust the pricing, like put it higher?
No, on the other swimsuit.
Yeah, I know, like over 200 to me.
Yeah, but people aren't adding to cart. So show me the ones where people aren't adding to cart, because this will fix the add to cart to purchase ratio, but that's not your issue. The issue is content.
So the one that are not adding to cart, you mean?
Yeah, that's the issue, because we don't know why they're not adding to cart. Those people are adding to cart, which is good, and we can fix the drop off there, but you have a much bigger drop off somewhere else. Are they all hitting your homepage? All right, go to the next one.
This one was going to homepage because she was pressing at the end of carousel, probably the.
Okay, let's see the ad without an add to cart. Let's see one without add to cart.
This one is without add to cart.
Okay, let's do another one.
She hasn't done, like she hasn't pressed add to cart.
It's that scrolling down that gets me, because they're having a view and they don't have the add to cart button within sight. That's a problem.
So should I put like a sticky add to cart thing on here?
Yeah, and the free shipping bar isn't showing at the top. And these images are moving up and down. They should all be the exact same size.
Exact same size. Okay.
Yeah, like 1080 by 1080 on all of them.
Yeah.
And whenever they click through and swipe, it's not adjusting their screen. Shop should automatically stay open there because she's now having to, or he or she's now having to make additional clicks. All right, next, we'll watch one more.
Because I'm actually getting a lot of link clicks and a lot of content views.
That's not the issue. It's that they're not adding to cart. And we got to figure that out. What's your mobile add to cart ratio in comparison to your desktop?
I have no idea. Like, where can I see that?
That person dropped off this page.
What do you mean by dropped off of the page?
Saw another product and they went to the next one.
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, you can clearly see, like, she was checking 2 of them. Yeah. Yeah. It's like I have put everything back as it was. It's just like
Raise your pricing on these to be above free shipping. Fix the images.
So fix the images.
Yeah, because the people are staying longer on mobile here. Let's see what happens after this. What page do they go to? All right, they're scrolling right past add to cart. Remove this you may also like section. People are,
Really?
yeah, because look what's happening. They're going to the next page. And then what do they do on this next one? Show me the next page where that drop down is you have at the top. What are they doing? And now they're doing another recently viewed. These people can't make a decision because they have too many options.
Okay, so remove you might also like.
Yeah. Get rid of that because now you're going to force people to, when they hit the page, they either want it or they don't. Rather than us just get a bunch of browsers. You know, these people are window shopping currently.
Yeah. So true. Should I like do the skip add to cart thing?
Yes, sticky add to cart.
Sticky add to cart, yes, but
Yeah.
skip the add to cart, like going straight to the checkout.
Yeah, that's fine. You can try that. Yeah, because your content views are so good, but your add to carts are terrible. So this, I mean, we can see here, this lady's just going and going and going.
Yeah,
And
I
that's
know.
what some other people were doing. They kept clicking that recently viewed. They have too many options here.
Okay, remove that. Sticky add to
The
cart.
beauty about like funnels is like they force a very, like, well, not force, they guide somebody in a very specific direction, but too many options can make people just go squarely on a page.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so one more thing. For the price, should I put all of them over 200?
Yes.
Okay. And for the interest, right? Should I still be like trying with the same interest as I have?
Yeah, make
like,
these changes to the site first to see what happens. Let's see how much of a lift you get in add to carts.
Okay.
That way we know 100%.
Okay, I'll tell you on Wednesday then.
Awesome. Alrighty, perfect. We'll see how it goes.